Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect. It is a really cool mechanics set. This has a massive amount of tools, 297 pieces, and it's going to come in this nice little easy to carry container. Makes everything nice and basically stored for you. So this was sent over by a company called VEVOR, and as you can see, it's all made out of a nice kind of hard plastic shell. Give you an idea of the overall size here. It is about 13.5 inches wide. It's about 11.5 inches in depth and about 12 inches in height. Has an easy to handle, easy to carry handle itself. And then you're gonna have 2 clips in the front and 2 on the side, which is gonna keep everything nice and closed and secure. When you open it up, this is where you're gonna see obviously all the tools. So like I said, this thing is a perfect set for basically anyone around the house, but also it's a great mechanics set. You're gonna have a total of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch sockets. Both a mix of shallow and deep. So obviously, for example, here's a nice deep socket right here. And then you're gonna get all the little parts in pieces. So you're gonna get all the various different ratchets in here as far as the tools. You're gonna get a bunch of different sizes for your needs. And then you're also gonna get a bunch of little different extenders. You're also gonna notice you're gonna get a bunch of little kind of bits here at the top. And then not only do you have the section up here, but you're gonna follow through with 4 different drawers down here in the bottom part. So there's little parts on the side here that I forgot to open here, but you're gonna have basically 4 different drawers. So on the bottom drawer, once again, you're gonna have all the smaller different sockets here. Then you're gonna have another drawer, once again, all the different other additional sockets. Now, you're going to get a mix. All the sockets here are CRV alloy steel, so they're very resistant to any rust, corrosion, oils, or anything like that. So for example, if you're changing oil and you spill on it, it's going to be very resistant to that, which is really, really nice. Now, you're going to have a mix of SAE and also metric sockets. So if you're looking for something that has a combination of those, this set does have that. And like I said, it's got those 3 different sizes. And then on the top drawer here, you're going to also have a bunch of wrenches, all the various different sizes. And then as you can see, you're going to have a ton of the little bits here, all the way from just the regular screwdriver, the flatheads, the kind of the star-shaped ones, and everything you possibly need out of this set. And then once again, at the top, and then you're gonna have a great selection of Allen wrenches here. So whether like you're building this, building furniture, for example, it's gonna work really, really well for you there. Obviously working on cars, all the different types of parts here. It's a great set just to have around the house. So I absolutely love it. And like I said, it also has those extension pieces, so it makes it easier to get into kind of tighter spaces when working with it. So overall, like I said, if you are looking for an absolutely must-have set here that is a mix of everything you possibly could need, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.